everybody, it's Whitney Beckett and I'm back trying to make real estate a little less complicated, one caffeinated clip at a time. Today, I want to talk about a handful of things you should absolutely not do after you get your pre-approval from your lender. Because remember, a pre-approval is not an approval, and every move that you make with your money will have an impact. Number one, don't apply for new credit. Adding new credit can impact your credit score, and it could throw off the calculations that your lender has already done as far as available credit that you have and your debt. Number two, don't make major purchases, even if it means buying something like a brand new furniture set that you've got a payment schedule for. Those payments will need to be factored into your debt to income ratio. And don't pay cash for something large because that could throw off your cash reserves that you have for a down payment. Number three, this one sounds like weird advice to give, but don't go paying off a whole bunch of debt. Paying off a big debt and closing off an account can have an impact on that ratio just the same as opening up a new card. Number four, don't co-sign loans for anybody else. You might think that just co-signing a loan won't have any impact on your credit, but it's considered a debt for you and for the person you co-signed for, particularly when it's a new loan. Number five, don't switch jobs, of course, if you can help it. Even if it's a positive career move, your lender's gonna need to re-verify your employment, and you'll need at least some income verification, which means 1 or 2 pay stubs, which could delay your closing. Number six, don't ignore your lender when they ask you for something. Number seven, this one's a given, but don't fall behind on your bills. Number eight, while adding more money to your bank account is pretty much always a good thing, don't lose track of any deposits you're making and where that money has come from. Also, let your lender know because they can advise you on what paper trail you need for that deposit. And if you're receiving a gift from someone like a family member to purchase your home, you'll need to let your lender know about that too. Overall, remember that that pre-approval is a snapshot of the financial picture that is you. So you want to try and stay as close to that snapshot, if it's a good one, as you can. And please make sure you keep in touch with your lender throughout the entire process. So if you have questions about the pre-approval process or for lender recommendations, I'd love to chat anytime. Or if you have any questions about real estate in general, please reach out. Remember, regardless of the topic, no question is a silly question, and I'm here to help.